Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Welcome to the DPS Sahiwal online classes. This is your maths lesson for class 4 and here is your teacher, Miss Zahida Kousar. Nowadays, we are discussing about the unit number 1, numbers and arithmetic operations. And our today's topic is addition of numbers up to 6 digits. In this lesson, we will discuss definition of addition, terms used for addition, adding numbers up to 6 digits, objectives. By the end of lesson, students will be able to define addition, terms used for addition, add the numbers up to 6 digits. In class 3, we have learned the addition of 4-digit numbers. Let us revise. Our first value is 1123 plus 1154, and the solution is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. In previous classes, we have learned the terms used for addition. We use for addition add, sum, in all, altogether. And you better know the symbol of addition. We use this symbol for addition. Definition: combining two or more numbers to find the total is called addition. Now, we will learn how to add big numbers. Number 1, write your numbers in columns carefully. Here is the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. We will write our numbers according to this place value chart very carefully. Number 2, work from right to left. Always remember, start with ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands, then 10,000, and then 100,000. Example number 1. Add the following. Starting with ones column, 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. We will place 3 in ones column and 1 carry will be shifted to the next column. In tens column, 1 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 14. We will place 4 in tens column and 1 carry will be shifted to the next column. 1 plus 3 plus 9 is equal to 13. we will place 3 in this column and 1 carry will be shifted to the next column. 1 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 8. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 4 plus no value is equal to 4. Example 2. Write vertically and add. Here is the numbers. First of all, we will write these numbers vertically according to the place value chart, and then we shall add these numbers. Starting with 1's column, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 0 will be placed in this column and 1 carry will be shifted to the next column. In 10's column, 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 9. In 100's column, 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Example 3. Write the number which is 200 more than 125,000. In this example, we will place the biggest number on the top and smallest number on the bottom. So our biggest number is 125,000 and smaller number is 200. Starting with 1's column, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 5 plus no value is equal to 5. 2 plus no value is equal to 2. 1 plus no value is equal to 1. Now the assessment time. Fill in the blanks. A. 10,000 plus 6,905 is equal to dash. Now students, match your answer with this solution. 10,000 plus 6,905 is equal to 16,905. The answer is 16,905. B. 100 more than 99,990 equals to dash. Students, match your answer with this solution. 99,990 plus 100 is equal to 100,090. So the answer is 100,090. C. The sum of 99,999 and 1,000 is dash. Now match your answer with this solution. 99,999 plus 1,000 is equal to 100,999. So the answer is 100,999. D. 250,000 plus 25,000 is equal to dash. Now match your answer with this solution. 25,000, 250,000 plus 25,000 is equal to 275,000. So the answer is 275,000. Now it is your homework time. Your home assignment is question number 1. Add the following: 43,846 plus 35,017. Question number 2. Write vertically and add 50,466 plus 18,974. Question number 3. Write the number which is 900 more than 14,838. Thank you.